Hello, once again, welcome back. Again, it's a wonderful and pleasant day that the Lord has given to us. As well as it's already 2:30. It's already 2:30, and then I'm going to my field for hunting. No, for hunting. I'll be sleeping there for tonight. I'll hunt because there's so many birds out there, no? So I'll be going in hunting, and then I'll be coming back on Saturday, no, Friday, no? And then see the gun. This is the gun, and then out here, this is the another one, no? What is it called? I forgot. We used to call it as koho, no? But in I forgot. Yeah, I'm so sorry, no? Anyways, keep watching. I'll update you everything, no? Oh, sorry, not everything. Most of the thing. Oh, finally, I like to point chili share. See, this is the hut. The guns. So here it is. Hello guys. Finally we are done with our cooking. This is the the green patana, green leaf. See. Wow. So here's the rice. And then here, okay. This is the curry. Oh wow, it's gonna be so delicious. So now we'll eat. Wow, it's gonna eat lots. Oh, sister. Tata. Put more. Come on. Yeah, enough. So now we'll be eating. Let's pray.
Amen. Amen. Jelama.
Oh.
저mon가 뭐지?
这个是不能在听的啊，没事。Oh, come on.
多少斤啊？谢谢您。
门推小便推推不难吗？자꾸 흔들려. 어디? 어떤 것도 못 해보라. 응, 저는 하자.
别，
응?
便宜点。
This patana, it's good for health, you know. It used to cure
vitamin C.
the sickness of this waist pain, no? Once we started to have a waist pain, we used to boil this patana and then we used it. Then automatically the body, the waist, no, it used to be fine. So this pata is very good. So for us, though we have pain or not, we used to eat. This is very good for our health. Ah. So guys, I'm done. The items the curry, no? The curry and then the boil was quite amazing. I really enjoy it, no? Even the ingredient was quite huge. So that's the reason it's so tasty. Anyway, I'm done eating. So after this I'll be having a cup of black tea and then I'll be resting. So thank you so much for watching this video, as well as usual, do like, subscribe, share and then comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Good night.